Hello Barn Gang and welcome to this month's Animal Facts. This month we are going to learn about the HOOPOE. HOOPOE are widespread throughout Africa, except in western and central lowlands. Some populations of African HOOPOE are migratory while others are sedentary. The African HOOPOE is an exotic-looking bird that is around the same size as a starling. The African HOOPOE measures 25 to 29 centimeters in length, weighs 57 grams, and has a wingspan of 44 to 48 centimeters. Their plumage is a cinnamon color with contrasting black and white stripes on their wings and tails. Their underparts, head, throat, and back are also cinnamon in color. The African HOOPOE's wings are broad and rounded, and they have a square-shaped tail which is black and shows a wide white band. Their heads have a distinctive crest with long chestnut-colored feathers which have black tips. The crest lies backwards when the bird is resting. However, if alarmed or excited, the crest opens up and displays a beautiful circular shape. The HOOPOE's beak is black, long and slender, and slightly downward curved. Their eyes are small, round and brown in color, and their short legs and feet are gray. As with most bird species, the female HOOPOE is duller in appearance, and chicks resemble the female but have shorter crests. The African HOOPOE bird has an oil gland which produces a foul-smelling secretion. African HOOPOE live in open, bushy regions and woodlands in dry areas. They can also be found in parks and suburban gardens. These birds nest in cavities such as holes or crevices in tree trunks. However, they have also been known to nest in buildings, abandoned termite nests, nest boxes, piles of boulders, and even under houses. They may use the same nest for many years. Nests are generally lined with grass, debris, or dried manure. HOOPOE are well known for their dirty nests, which are smelly due to non-removal of droppings. The African HOOPOE is a forager and forages through leaves with its long, thin beak. It mainly eats insects and earthworms off the ground. However, before it actually eats the insect, the HOOPOE will bang the insect on the ground to remove legs and wings, and then toss it up into the air before catching it in its open beak. African HOOPOE will also eat frogs, small snakes, lizards, and also seeds and berries in small quantities. They also eat insect pupae, or larvae, which they consume by probing the ground with their beak. African HOOPOE are vocal birds and have a distinctive call which sounds like HOOPOE and is repeated 3 to 5 times each time it calls. African HOOPOE have their own defense technique, whereby they will lie flat to the ground, spreading their tail and wings and pointing their beak straight upwards if they are being attacked by a predator. In flight, HOOPOE are low flyers with an erratic flight pattern and irregular wing beats. However, if being preyed upon by a bird of prey, it can soar very high in order to escape its predator. African HOOPOE are not sociable birds, are generally found in pairs or singular. The African HOOPOE is monogamous unless its mate dies. In the event of a partner dying, the African HOOPOE bird will seek out a new mate. The female HOOPOE lays around 4 to 7 eggs which are a blue-green in color but quickly become brown. The female incubates the eggs for 14 to 20 days. Chicks are born helpless, naked and blind with a sparse long white down. The chicks are fed mainly by the male and then later by both parents. The chicks fledge at around 26 to 32 days. 1 to 3 broods are produced yearly by HOOPOE birds. Well, Barn Gang, that is a wrap on this month's Animal Facts. I hope you enjoyed learning about this unusual bird, the HOOPOE bird. See everyone next month.